Today, we will talk about how to celebrate Hanukkah. Let's have a look at the details. Hanukkah is a Jewish holiday, also known as the Jewish Festival of Lights, as its focus is on lighting the 8 Hanukkah candles during the 8 days of the festival. Although not one of the more serious holy days of the Jewish tradition, it is still traditionally celebrated with specific foods and ceremonies. The first step is lighting the menorah. Begin lighting the menorah at sunset or nightfall. Avoid lighting your menorah during the day. Wait until the sun starts setting or until after nightfall, which is typically 20 to 30 minutes after sunset, to light your menorah. Place your menorah near a doorway or in front of a window. Otherwise, you can set your menorah on a windowsill facing the street so others can see the lights at night. Set your first candle in the far right space. Choose a candle that's large enough to burn for at least 30 minutes after nightfall. On the first night of Hanukkah, take one of your candles and place it in the rightmost slot on your menorah. Don't fill any of the other slots yet since you'll add more candles later on. Light the shamash candle. The shamash candle is also known as the servant candle. Wait until you and everyone in your home are gathered around the menorah. Recite the menorah blessings. While the shamash candle burns, stand next to your menorah and say the blessings out loud. On the first night, there are 3 blessings you'll say to thank God. On each of the remaining nights of Hanukkah, you only need to recite the first 2 blessings. Use the shamash candle to light the other candle. Once you recite all of the blessings, hold the flame of your shamash candle against the wick of the candle in your menorah. Set the shamash candle in the slot on your menorah that's raised or in a different row than the Hanukkah candle. Sing or recite the Hanukkah Halalu hymn. The Hanukkah Halalu hymn praises God for the Hanukkah miracles, and it's a tradition for you to say it each night. If you're the one lighting the menorah, then you'll recite the hymn in Hebrew. Allow the candle to burn for at least 30 minutes after nightfall. While the candle burns, just relax with the members of your household and avoid doing any work. If the candle extinguishes and it hasn't been 30 minutes since nightfall, relight it with your shamash candle. If the candle goes out afterward, you do not have to relight it and can throw it away. Add another candle in the next rightmost slot each day. When you light your menorah, start with the candle that's furthest to the left and work toward the right side. On the following days, add 1 additional candle to the menorah. On the 8th day of Hanukkah, you'll fill every slot in the menorah. Start lighting your menorah before sunset on the Friday before Shabbat. Shabbat is the day of rest, and it's forbidden to light a fire after sunset on Friday through nightfall on Saturday. On Shabbat, you also need to light specific Shabbat candles 18 minutes before sunset. The second step is observing Hanukkah traditions. Tell Hanukkah stories when you sit by the menorah. As you relax with your family around the menorah, you can share the story of how Hanukkah started to explain the holiday to children. Recite the Al-Hanissim liturgy during daily prayers and grace after meals. Spin a dreidel if you want to play a fun game. Gather as many players as you want and give everyone equal numbers of game pieces, such as chocolates, pennies, candies, or nuts. The person who ends the game with all of the pieces is the winner. Give small gifts to children each weeknight. After lighting the menorah, hand out gelt, or small gifts, to any children in your household. You can give things like candies, treats, or small amounts of money for a festive surprise. Donate extra to charity if you're able to. If you already give money, give out a little extra each day during Hanukkah to show your appreciation and to spread charity. Attend a public menorah lighting if you want to spend time with others. After the lighting, recite blessings, sing hymns, and enjoy food with one another to spread the holiday cheer. The third step is serving Hanukkah food. Incorporate more oil and dairy into your meals. To honor the Hanukkah miracle, cook and fry foods in oil throughout Hanukkah. And enjoy more foods with milk, cream, and cheese in remembrance of the holiday. Fry latkes in oil for a traditional Jewish meal. Latkes are traditionally potato pancakes, but you can make them with carrots, zucchini, or anything else that fries easily. Top your latkes with sour cream or cheese to incorporate dairy into your meal as well. Enjoy applesauce with fresh latkes for a sweet and salty dish. You can either buy applesauce from the store or make your own. Make jam-filled donuts covered in powdered sugar for a sweet treat. Bake challah if you want delicious bread. Challah is a braided bread that doesn't contain any butter or milk. You can add honey or dried fruit if you want your bread to have a sweeter flavor. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.